You just knew you were going to get arrested. Well, you just did. So
I'm worried about my kids, sir. I'm worried about my children.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
All right. Good morning, Miss Decker. This is Judge Middleton. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I'm here with Keith Stickley, the Chief Public Defender. We need to get your case back on track. This is file number 241299FY. You can have a whole batch. Thank you. You got charged with driving suspended and possession of methamphetamine. Let me get into the case to get my dates straight here. That is alleged to have occurred on July 16th, 2024 in the city of Sturgis. Possession of methamphetamine was charged as a second or subsequent offense, making it a 20-year felony offense and up to $30,000 fine. Driving suspended is under the Motor Vehicle Code, 90 days and or 93 days and or $500. Anyway, you got arraigned. We appointed Attorney Casey Strong to represent you, and you promptly didn't show up. Let me look at my notes. The pre-exam conference was scheduled for well, you posted a bond, $1,000, 10%, and you were in front of Judge Pattison, or supposed to be in front of Judge Pattison on July 17th. I don't know. They set up for prelim for July 30th. And then it got set for August 6th. Somehow it got transferred to me. So it was set for a preliminary examination on August 6th. I gave you the date on the previous Tuesday, and you didn't show up. Ms. Strong indicated she hadn't had any contact with you since the previous week. So I set a new bond at $5,000 cash or surety with a 48-hour hold. She attempted to get a hold of you, and we never saw you again until you got arrested last night. How did you come to get arrested last night?
I was going to check on my baby at Russell's house on M60, and he called the cops on me.
All right. Now, you were living on Pinhook Road, then you were in Sturgis. Who's Russell? Help me out here.
Russell is the kid's dad.
What's his name?
Russell Jackson.
Russell. He called the cops on you because he knew that there was a warrant?
He called the cops on me because I was asking where Justice was. I can't find my daughter. I need help, sir.
Yes, I agree. Do you have an address?
No, right now I don't. Well, I do. I have a place to stay, but I don't remember what the address is.
All right. Well, you knew there was a warrant for you. You figured at some point the sword would fall, and that's what happened last night.
But I got a job to do, and I need to get it back out there.
All right. I'm going to reset the pre-exam conference for February 11th at 8:30, and the preliminary examination for February 18th at 1 o'clock. Now, they used to charge people with absconding on bond. I haven't seen that charged in years. and it's unlikely it's going to be charged here, but you just bugged out and then you waited around to get arrested before we got to address the case again. Your driver's license is suspended. You're probably living in your car. You don't have an address and you didn't show up. So I'm going to set the bond where I originally set it, which is $5,000 cash or surety. We need to get this dealt with. I agree that you need some help. Your original attorney was Casey Strong. Unless I hear otherwise, she's still going to be your attorney.
It will be that.
So, Ms. Decker, I don't know what to say. You're struggling right now. We need to get your case back on track. How old is your daughter?
11. I need out of here.
Yeah, you do, but you need to get your own ducks in order before you visit all your problems on your 11-year-old daughter and your other children.
My ducks in the order.
Your Honor, can I inquire, because I'm not familiar with her direct file. Was she also referred to community corrections if she gets, because that might help. They might be able to give her a little bit more stability if she does post or get out.
I think the only hope I can get it is some clarity.
She was referred for pretrial supervision.
Okay.
And she didn't comply.
If you do bond out, I highly suggest that you do that, not only because it's ordered, but man, there's a lot of resources and assistance. They might be able to help coordinate. And
me being in here isn't doing me any good at all.
No, it's probably not, although it's getting you clean.
I am Bentley.
Okay, well, we'll find out. All right, then I don't know why you didn't. You just knew you were going to get arrested. Well, you just did. So
Because I'm worried about my kids, sir. I'm worried about my children.
Yes, and you have an open felony warrant for your arrest. So we'll get the case back on track. All right, it's February 11th at 8:30. If there's a bond motion before that time, we can address it. But you didn't contact your lawyer, you didn't go to pretrial services, and you didn't show up. And I think we're still... All right, I'll see you on February 11th.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.